Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the transmission. This is actually broken. It's my off-road transmission. So every year, every winter, I usually remove my street transmission and then put this on. Well, this last year, my laziness got into me, so I left the street transmission and then didn't put this back. And you know what happened? I lost the third and fourth gear. So, anyways, the truck is going to be an off-road vehicle, as I've mentioned a lot of times in my past videos, because we already have our family, vehicle, our human transporter. So the truck will be off-road specific. So we are going to put this in, and it's not going to be going out anymore. So what's special about this transmission? It's very obvious. We have a Corvette servo. Inside we have a wider intermediate band. We have a heavy-duty sprout, two heavy-duty sprouts. We have, what else do we have? We have 5 planetary gears. We have a beefed up sun shell. What else is here? Of course, we have the Transco shift kit and a high pressure something. So, anyways, I rebuilt this about 5 or 6 years ago. And this is the only year that last year was the only year I didn't put this on, and it has been lying around in the storage, and it's dirty. So the goal today is to clean this up, drain the pan, remove the pan, and then clean it, and then put it back on the truck. It's definitely I need to drain this, because unfortunately, the plug that I put here was removed accidentally. So I'm sure dirt has entered the pan. So we will clean this all up. Well, we'll drain it first, clean it all up, inside out, put the pan back, and then put the fluids. Well, we're gonna put the fluids when it's on the truck. So let's get it on. So this is what I hate about sending my vehicles to some other shop. Honestly, the last time I removed this from the truck, I had it done by a shop in Musafa. I was hoping that I could trust them, so I gave them my transmission, I gave them the street transmission, and then they installed it. That was fuck, two 2 years ago, and unfortunately, they messed up my transmission. Um, this is supposed to be 14 foot-pounds, and they're all loose. See? So meaning they opened this, and then the PWM and the pressure switch, 3 2 downshift. This is not what I bought. These are just crappy stuff. I'll show you the picture. This is what I bought. And so now I'll be forced to open this up and then check everything. I hate this. I really hate this. So lesson, never send your stuff to someone you don't trust. Anyways, peace. This will be the end. We'll start a new video about rebuilding this.